and welcome back to my channel. And if you have not already, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video. And today we're gonna get into how I made this shirt in under 10 minutes. That's right, 10 minutes. It's simple, but it is so cute. And I did it using my Cricut machine, and it's for the New Year's. I didn't want to put New Year's because I wanted to be able to wear it as much as I could this year, and every day wouldn't be a new year, but every day would be 2022. Great idea, I know. But anywho, let's get into the video. Again, 10 minutes. So guys, you're gonna need to click on your Cricut design space. My computer is just taking a little bit of time today, so hopefully it speeds up because all we have is 10 minutes, right? So once you get to your home page of your Cricut design space, in the top right hand corner is a green bubble that says new project. You want to click on new project. Once you click on new project, whenever my computer finally decides to load, here we go. You're going to click on text over on the left. Click text. Once you click text, go up to your font. That way you can choose a font that you like. So the font that we're going to use is called Broadway, and I pay for the Cricut subscription, so I'm not sure if Broadway will be part of the free version, but hopefully it is. So if you do have Broadway, click Broadway, and once you do, make sure your text is all caps. We want the word 20 to be in all caps. And then you're going to resize it. So go up and click the unlock button. And we're going to use an 11-inch width and then a 5-inch height. And then click the lock button again so that it'll lock, because you don't want your sizes to move around while you're working. So we're going to go back up to text and then click fonts. And the second font that we're going to use is called Sketchbook. Sketchbook. And Sketchbook is like a cursive, but it kind of drags the word out, if that makes sense. You will see once we type. Be sure to take the caps lock off so your word 22 won't be in all caps, because we want it to kind of be in cursive, and you can't put capital letters in cursive, guys. So once you type the word 22, go up to letter space and click the down arrow until your letters are touching. So we went down all the way to negative 0.8. So it's going to stop at negative 0.8. And you see how the letters are closer together, and it's kind of in cursive, but it's kind of lengthy. So we're going to highlight the entire word and ungroup it. And I'm ungrouping it because I want to separate the first letter a little bit, the capital T's. I want them to move them out just a little, just a hair. And once I move those out, I'm going to highlight the entire word and weld it. But here I highlighted the word to first before I welded it, which I don't know why I did that, but just highlight the entire word 22 and then weld it. And when you weld it, all that does is it makes sure that when you do cut it, whenever you do make the project, it'll cut the word 22 on one mat. It'll be all together. So once that's done, we're going to go up to offset. Well, before we click offset, we're going to resize it. So we're going to resize the 22 to an 11.5 width and a 1.2 height. And then we're going to go over to offset. And offset, all that does is it puts a background on your word. So see how it already highlighted in blue? So we're just going to take that down just a little bit so the background of the word 22 is not so thick. And we're going to stop at a 0.125 on the offset. And then once you get to 0.125, click apply. And it automatically put the background of the word 22 in gray. But I'm going to change it to white so that it'll be more visible. And then I'm going to change the color of the word 20 to black. Then we're going to move the offset into the middle of 20. To get that perfectly in the middle of 20, we're going to click Align. Highlight it, then click Align, then scroll down and click Center Vertically, and it puts it in the middle perfectly. Highlight the entire word 20 and the offset and click Slice. Once you slice it, it's going to cut everything in the middle. Once everything is cut in the middle, go and delete everything that was cut out the middle. So once you're done deleting, you should see the grid lines behind the 20. If you don't see the grid lines, you did it wrong. So we're just going to change the color of the 22 to hot pink. I actually used hot pink on my shirt too. But for the word 20, I used silver. So instead of black, but you can use whatever colors you desire. You get it? It's year 2022. And this can be done for 23, 24, 25, the absolute same way. Do it this same way. And once that's done, we're going to click Make It. Once you click Make It and your mats are sorted, make sure to mirror everything. Mirror all your mats. When you're making a shirt, always mirror. If you don't, it's going to take you longer than 10 minutes because you're going to have to do it all the way over again because it's going to be backwards. And this is my cutting machine. It's me cutting my mats. And this is me modeling the shirt. See how nice it came out? 2022. And that's my Instagram page if y'all would like to go over and give me a follow. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks.